On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie have a bad hair day. No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept. I slept. Maddie slept. Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept. Until Daddy started to talk in her sleeps. Thanks, I love more ice creams. The end. Bye, Mr. Bar.